Hello everyone, my name is Rajesh Kumar and I'm your DevOps SRE DevSecOps coach. Okay, so now I'm going to collect the logs. So how do we collect the logs? So basically, collecting the logs you can um, do through agent itself. Okay, so that is a stop. Let me show you here one of the page which you can collect the logs. So here, go to the conf.d and I enable the Apache, right? So cd Apache, and here you open this file, and if you open this file, at the end of it, if you go, this log collections will be there, sections will be there. So you have to enable this. So what to do? I'm just going to copy this and make an entry in this. Now, is it the right log locations? Let me check this out. So come out of it, ls. Yeah, it's right log locations. So now here, and 1 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So this is the locations which you want agent to collect the logs. Type is file, source name Apache, service name Apache. So like this you can add in the configuration file and go to the section down and done, and save it. Now restart this agent. So here I'm going to restart is enter. Now let's check it out. So age logs will be collected here. Okay, so I have to create a traffic in order to clear the logs. So let me create a traffic to Apache history. This is the one, Apache this time. Here it is. Enter. Now let's check it out. The log is coming or not. You see here. This is the APM. Okay, so logs will be here. And now it has not come. Just wait for a few seconds. Keep refreshing. I'm reading this one. A refresh will work actually. Did I restart the agent? Let me check. I forgot that maybe. So yeah, I restart the agent. So just wait for a few more seconds. Just let me refresh. It's taking a little time, but it will come. So here you have log monitoring, here APM, here integrations, Here infrastructure, all this thing is available. Let me check one more time. It's taking too much time. Configurations and logs. Let me check the status of agent. System CTL status Datadog agent is running. So cool. Just we have to wait for a few seconds and stuff like that. It's taking a little time. Everything is good. Okay, one thing I forgot actually. Yeah. So log you have enabled, that is correct. But you know what? One thing you need to enable, that is etc and Datadog and configurations data log monitoring itself. I have not done that. So can I do this? Log, here it is. Log monitoring, you have to enable it here. So how to do that? Not this one. Log monitoring. And just a second. Hmm. So in this one you have to enable actually. Log enabled, true. That was a missing actually. And save it. Restart the agent. And now create a traffic. Now it should wait for a few seconds. I think now it should be coming. So now it will come in few seconds. Okay, so let it come. Now it should be okay. Now next one which I'm going to monitor it, synthetic. So in synthetic, what to do? So synthetic, I need to have one live website. So what website I'll have it? So for synthetic, I'm going to use this website, rajeshkumar.xyz, and I'm going to check whether synthetic this string you have it or not. Okay, so now I'm going to check this here. So go to the, here, and synthetic you will find here last option you see here. So now here and this URL, and this is the name of it. And here I'm doing the test assertion, new assertions, when body header response time. So body is contains this one. That means it should pass. This is a way to check location you want to make it. So not all locations. Let's say one Mumbai, one Virginia, and conditions scheduling every 1 minute or something, and configure this is alert Rajesh Kumar dot xyz check, and here alert and create. That's all. So now this monitoring will keep monitoring and you will get the data in few minutes. Let me go and check the logs now. Still logs has not come so far. Let me check little bit troubleshoot actually. So now I'm going to troubleshoot. So Datadog status, Datadog agent status. I'm going to check that whether monitoring is happening or not. So here when I run this command, it will tell me whether it's okay or not. So log, see here. So there is one error. See, it's enabled correctly, but here there is a permission issues for this file. So Datadog has no permission to this file. So how do we solve this? So let me solve this file using the permission chmod 755 and chmod -r var var log. So Datadog agent is running a process using Datadog DD agent. So that user was not having permissions. So now let me restart the agent one more time. So this is how you troubleshoot. Now I'll check this status and now it's okay. You see here a status is okay. That means you will have this one. Okay, so like this and start this. So now if I check, it should be coming because I checked the status. So troubleshooting can be done like this. So just wait for it. Now within a few seconds, all this stuff. See here. So log started coming. So this is the log now. So it just started coming. Lots of logs will come. So the moment I create traffic, which is happening now, uh, this command will create a traffic, and you see here the logs will start coming. So this is the way you can correct the logs. Now let me see go and check the synthetic here, and synthetic which is you see is failing. Why is failing? So let's check it out. Failing means collection, I mean data collection is done, but there is an alert actually. Why? Click on this and here you say over 15 years of extensive experience it should contain, but results you are getting something different. So where is the problem? So let me check this. Let me connect this assertions for this. So assertions is here body contains, uh, and here this is correct actually, but it's failing. uh, uh, Body hash test is successful. Let me copy paste this one. Only this one I'm copying pasting. So now it will pass. So now like this you are doing the synthetic monitoring from the different region. Got it, all of you? All of you, any questions so far? Hello, hello, Arun, Amir, Dinesh.
Yeah,
Okay. So now this is the four things we collected: metrics, APM, logs, synthetic. Now last one is RAM, real user monitoring. So for that we need a live applications. So I have one live application which I can log in, and let me show you. So here Rajesh Kumar.xyz. So somewhere here, this is the applications. Okay. So this is the applications which I'm getting into. Now what I need to do, so follow the Datadog for this. So click on Datadog here, and this is the RAM somewhere here. Follow here, create one new application in RAM. Here Rajesh Kumar. Okay. Now click create new applications RAM. Now this code you have to embed in your website. Every pages. So this code only is a JavaScript code which will collect the all the data and stuff like that. So environment you can put prod and all stuff like that, and done. And here cd this one, I'm embedding this in the index.live applications somewhere at the bottom section of it. So I go to here. So now I'm going for embedding this under the body. Just a second. So here script is done. Okay. So now here I'm going to embed it. So after this script, I'm going to add it in the code itself. Done. And now I did it. That's all. So if you want to gather the RAM monitoring, this script which I showed you, this JavaScript, you need to embed in every applications. Now automatically, if anyone will access my website, can you please access my website for a few minutes? So I'll get the session recording done. I'm putting in the chat window. Okay, so I can tell you all of your from which country you are accessing, what you are doing on my website, everything I can do that. So do let me know who's accessing.
I just did it.
Cool. So just wait for a few minutes. I'll tell you all the details about who and all access my website and what you did, from where you are, and everything. So meanwhile, first let's see that synthetic monitoring now. And here you see alert got collected and so on. So now what we did, I showed you all sort of data collections actually. So now we have all data collections, and now you have to create alerts and dashboard based on the data. So what you should do, you should spend time on that, understanding the all the matrices. So here you see all the matrices you have from the infrastructure, container, process, logs. Just now you collected. Here you see traces also I collected. It's not showing here, but trace you can see APM here, service catalog here. So every data you have collected, now you have to create alerts, which is here, monitor. Okay. Okay. Now let me see the synthetic monitoring has come or not. So yeah, I got it. So let me tell you how many people. So three people have connected. in the last few minutes. So one user is from United States, okay, and he's using Android browser. So I think someone is accessing from app mobile actually and using browser Chrome mobile, and this user is do these are the access he has done it. So anyone from the USA in our group?
Yes.
Yeah. So I monitored you. I can get more information also. Here, this is the user who has come again from US for Windows. Again Chrome. So second user. And third user is from Canada. And these are the access you guys have done it. So who's from Canada?
I am.
And okay, Amir. Yeah. So that is the stuff. So like this, so you have collected all the data now. Now what your job is, you spend some time on that website, get comfortable. It'll be easy to, you know, understand the metrics for each one of these. Then the last thing which you have to do is creating alerts and dashboard. So now that is, let me do that. So here in the monitoring, you can create alerts. So right now I have only one alert, which came from the synthetic. I'm creating alerts here, new monitoring. You can create alert based on the host, whether it's live or not, metrics, APM, here live process, logs, RUM, real user monitoring. So whichever I taught you. So now let's go for metric monitoring. Let's say system load, CPU monitoring if you want to do, CPU limit, CPU system, CPU uses. So my CPU usage is somewhere close to very low. So can we go for CPU idle? It will be good, I guess, because I'm not using that machine, right? CPU idle here, here. So almost 92% CPU is idle in these machines. So you can see that here, timeline 1 hour and all. So now you want to create the threshold. So if CPU idle is more than 60%, then create alerts, 50% warning or something like that. So see that automatically outline has been drawn. Now this is a CPU wastage or something. This is a title for an email wastage, and this is the body part of it. And all these things you can just check once and all here and there, and then create. So I created alert based on the CPU idle. That means if my CPU is idle, I should get an alert. So I should fix it. I should use it more actually, like that. So this is the way you can create alerts, different matrices and all. So stick to the one which I taught you again, metric, APM, integration like Apache, Docker and all, live process, logs, process check, RUM, and synthetic somewhere in the metrics only you will get it. So this is the way you can create a monitoring. See that alert has triggered automatically, and email will be sent to the email ID who has registered. You can send the mass email also and stuff like that. So this is the way you can create a monitoring. Now, how do we create a dashboard? So the dashboard, here you have it. Okay, dashboard. So the beauty of Datadog, you know what? Whatever the integration monitoring you enabled, they will give you free dashboard actually. So see that it's a new account, all this dashboard which is free of cost. I did not have to create any new dashboard, any dashboard, but these are the built-in. I want to show you how can you create your own dashboard. That is also easy. So let me show you here. New dashboard, DevOps school. Now select any of this here and new. Now dashboard required the widgets. How do you fill this? So you can steal it and you can create your own widgets also. But first I'll teach you how to steal it. For example, this is Apache. Let me steal some logic from here. So let's say you want this one. So copy, copy this logic and here DevOps school, another tab, paste it. Simple. You got it. So this is one way to steal it. Now you want to steal from the integration explorer. So explore the data whichever you want. Okay. And then here save to dashboard and DevOps school. So here from here also you got it. Refresh. You got here another widgets you see. Now go to the third part, infrastructure. So infrastructure somewhere here actually. So infrastructure list, what data you want. So do you want, let's say, matrices? CPU want, you can go for large one. Okay. So this you want to steal it, copy, copy, and paste it. Control V, Control C. Simple. You want, let's say, other data. For example, you want container data. So here you can see the containers. 3 containers are running here, and you want to steal the data. So how to take it? I think containers dashboard should be there to steal the data. So for that, this is not coming to stealing it. Maybe you can create a custom one. So let's say go to Explorer and here you say Docker metrics, Docker and number of containers running, see here 3, and this you can steal it, add to dashboard. So you can create your own also like that. Now you want to steal something from the APM. Let's say what is your multiple reports you have for these applications. So let's say request and errors. So copy and here paste it. Done. So you want to store from the logs. Search the logs. Let's say these are the logs you got at errors. Error. I don't think so. You'll have any error right now. Warnings. I'm searching for it. Warning. No warning. Apache is working functionally. So let's say you want this one itself. So click on the more and save to dashboard, DevOps school. Done. Now you want synthetic. So come to synthetic here. What you want? So you want lots of graphs you have. So let's say you want this one. Just copy, paste it. And last one, let's say you want RAM, session and details, session details. How many users has access? 3 people. More. Uh, wait a second. Go to here, session, performance. Wait a second. Dashboard still, huh? This is the dashboard. So now you want, let's say, this is the how much time people have spent on your website. So total analytics you want, let's say, copy and save it. So many, basically, I am trying to tell you many things you can steal it and many things you can steal it for me. Now next thing is how can you create widgets here? So click on the add widgets. Let's say you want time series or query or whatever. Explore this. Let's say you want memory utilizations to be displayed. Uses and done. And here you see you can create. Okay, so guys, this is the way you can create a dashboard. So now this is the Datadog. You don't have to install, configure and all everything. Everything on the web, you can monitor it. And once you create account, you can access 15 days free of cost everything. So again, I'm repeating, in order to use any monitoring tool, you have to collect the metrics. Metrics means Windows, Linux, Apache, Tomcat, MySQL, Postgre, this, that. You need to collect the APM data performance, logs, synthetic, RAM, and then alerting and dashboard. So if you do this one for any projects, that projects will become observability enabled and ready to do that. And that is the expectations what every organizations they have it. Are you able to understand that, all of you?
Have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video.
Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest.
Thanks for watching.